In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo keeps replacing Google Chrome. If your browser keeps switching your search engine to Yahoo when you want to use Google instead, don't worry. This is usually caused by a changed browser setting or another search engine being saved as the default. The good news is that you can fix it directly inside Chrome in just a few moments. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page, where you can manage how your browser behaves. On this page, look for the Search Engine section and click on it. This is where Chrome stores the search engine that it uses when you type into the address bar. Now, in the search engine settings, click Change. Here, you want to make sure that Google is selected as your default search engine. If it's not already set to Google, choose Google from the list, then click Set as Default. This tells Chrome to use Google whenever you perform a search from the address bar, instead of redirecting your searches somewhere else. After that, click Manage Search Engines. This area shows all of the search engines currently saved in your browser. If you see other search engines listed that you don't want to keep, especially Yahoo or any unfamiliar options, you can remove them. To do that, click the three dots next to the search engine you want to delete, then click Delete. Cleaning up this list is important because it helps prevent Chrome from switching back to an unwanted search provider. If multiple search engines are saved and one of them has been prioritized somehow, it can create confusion or cause the browser to behave in ways you don't want. Once you've deleted the unnecessary search engines and confirmed that Google is set as the default, your Chrome search behavior should be corrected. From now on, searches typed into the address bar should use Google instead of Yahoo. If you're still having the same issue after making these changes, go back through the settings carefully and make sure Google is still selected as the default. Sometimes it helps to double-check that unwanted search engines were fully removed. That's it. This is a simple but effective way to stop Yahoo from replacing Google in Chrome and get your browser back to the way you want it.